Hello friends and viewers, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your eye screener. How are you? I think you are good and I am also fine. In today's video, we are going to talk regarding the follow-ups of a second cue card that is listed in the September to December cue cards. The describe a tradition in your country. कोई tradition ਤੁਹਾਡੀ country ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੋਲੋਅਪਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲਾਸਟ ਤੱਕ ਦੇਖਿਓ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜੂ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਫੋਲੋਅਪਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੈਟਰ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ 7 ਅਬਵ ਆਉਣ। ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਵਟ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਇਹ, ਹੂ ਟੇਕਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਇਨ ਇਟ, ਕੌਣ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਟੇਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਵਟ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਦੇਅਰ ਆਰ, ਕਿਹੜੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਆ, ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਹਾਊ ਯੂ ਫੀਲ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ, ਤੇ ਟ੍ਰੈਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਫੋਲੋਅਪਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਈ ਗਿਵਿੰਗ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਔਰ ਬਾਈ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨਿੰਗ ਦ ਥਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਦ ਡਿਟੇਲ। we have to give 6 to 7 line answers in the follow-ups, that in case of the part 1 question we can give answer of 2 to 3 lines, but in this we have to explain the answer in the deep way. We have to explain that answer. That teacher doesn't have to say why, or can you explain it. So first question हैगा आ, what is the importance of traditional festival? Traditional festivals ਦੀ importance ਕੀ ਆ, ਇਹਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ importance ਆ, ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ it has great impact on people's life. It is always positive. First of all, traditional festival tell us regarding the past history of these kind of festival and why people celebrate these festival in these days, the depth or the history of that festival. Along with this, traditional festival also binds us with our traditions, with our culture, like the festival which is celebrated in my country, that is Vaisakhi. This festival is celebrated in the month of April, at that time when people harvest their wheat from the fields. This festival is celebrated to thank God for giving us food to feed ourselves along with our whole country. So there are so many other festivals which are celebrated, and these have a lot of importance and positive benefits for their celebrations. फिर second question हैगा अपने को, what is the difference between festivals now and in the past? ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ difference ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। There are so many differences, so many variations in the festival these days as compared to the yesteryears. Like these days, number of festivals has increased and people celebrate these festivals in a different way as compared to the past. In the past, people used to celebrate the festival like Diwali by sitting in their homes. They used to crack the fire, or they used to lighten the candles and prepare some sweets at their home because they didn't have enough money to celebrate these festivals with pomp and show. But nowadays, due to disposable incomes, people have a lot of money. They celebrate these kind of festival by exchanging the gift with their nears and dears. They distribute sweets among their neighborhood people. Along with this, people go to the restaurants or go to outdoor places for celebrating these kind of festival by organize some of the parties and some of the get-togethers with their relatives or their friends. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ no, I don't think so there is any kind of difference in the festival in these days as compared to the yesteryears. As in the past, people used to celebrate these kind of festival with their homes. Nowadays, the tradition is same, the celebration are same, but the money which is spent on these kind of festivals have increased. People celebrate these kind of festival with lot of pop and show. They also want to showcase their incomes by organizing some of the parties and the get-togethers. Then next question हैगा अपने को, do you think western festivals like Christmas are replacing traditional festivals in your country? ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ yes ਤੇ no ਦੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ yes 'ਚ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਬੋਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, yes of course I think people are celebrating this festival in great number these days. In the past, people who used to belong to the Christian religion only, they used to celebrate this festival. But nowadays, every religion people like to celebrate these kind of festival. Like they organizing sort of parties in their houses or somewhere else. Also, they go to church and prepare some of the dishes which are famous in their religion. Along with this, people exchange the gift with each other. They give presents to their family members, they give presents to their friends and children. Sometimes the Santa come to their houses and they receive the gift from that person as well. जे आप कहने नहीं, do you think western festivals like Christmas are replacing traditional festivals in your country? No, not at all. I think this has addition in the other kind of festival which people used to celebrate in the past, but this is not replacing the traditional festivals in my country. People celebrate the conventional festivals people used to celebrate in the past these days as well, like Diwali, New Year, Lohri, and other kind of festival which are related to their religion. But this festival is also included in the celebration nowadays. People celebrate this festival with a lot of pop and show. Do you think it is wrong for children not to celebrate traditional festival? Yes, of course, because by celebrating these kind of festival, children can know about the tradition of their country, tradition of their culture and history of the people who used to celebrate this festival for the first time. If children don't celebrate these kind of festival, at that time they are not only forgetting the traditions of their country, but also this will lead to diminish the power of their tradition, power of their culture, and in this way their culture and their traditions will die in the future, by which that particular culture will have to face a lot of difficulties for the survival. ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ क्यू कार्ड ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਫੋਲੋ ਅਪਸ ਸੀਗੇ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਨੰਬਰ क्यू कार्ड ਦੇ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਲਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਇਲਸ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਨੀਅਰ ਬਾਏ। ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर गिविंग मी योर प्रीशियस टाइम गाइज एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।